How to fit your plastic access panel. Step 1. Cut a hole for the frame. You can do this by using the inside edge of the frame lip as your template. Step 2. Apply adhesive around the edge of the back of the frame. Step 3. Insert the frame into the wall opening and fit the removable door. How to fit a metal-framed access panel. Step 1. Mark out your opening and cut a hole for the frame. Step 2. Remove the door from the frame and place the frame into the hole. Step 3. Screw through the fixing holes and refit the door. Go straight to the shopping cart now and choose from our range of standard sizes. Order by midday today and you will receive your access panel the next working day. We also manufacture bespoke access panels to suit all requirements. Call us on 01922 711 474 for more information.